Wedding makeup mistakes you don't want to make. Hey there, beautiful brides-to-be, makeup artists, and wedding enthusiasts. Planning a wedding is stressful enough, so let's make sure your makeup is flawless and stress-free. We're diving into common wedding makeup mistakes and how to avoid them, ensuring you look radiant on your special day. A makeup trial is absolutely essential. Don't skip this step. It's your chance to test out the look, see how it photographs, and make any necessary adjustments. Think of it as a dress rehearsal for your face. You wouldn't walk down the aisle in a dress you've never tried on, would you? Using the wrong products for your skin type is a recipe for disaster. Oily skin needs different products than dry skin. If you have oily skin, opt for oil-free and matte products. Dry skin will benefit from hydrating formulas and a dewy finish. Heavy foundation can look cakey and unnatural, especially in photos. Aim for a natural skin-like finish. Less is often more when it comes to foundation. Build up coverage only where needed, focusing on areas with imperfections. Flashback is when your makeup reflects light from the camera flash, making you look ghostly. Avoid products with high SPF or silica content. Test your makeup with flash photography before the big day. This will help you identify any products that cause flashback. Well-groomed brows frame your face and enhance your features. Don't neglect them. Whether you prefer a natural or bold brow, make sure they are shaped and filled in properly. A professional brow shaping can make a huge difference. Your lip color should complement your overall look and last throughout the day. Avoid shades that are too light or too dark. Consider a long-lasting lipstick or lip stain to minimize touch-ups. A neutral or berry shade is often a safe and flattering choice. Setting your makeup is crucial for longevity, especially on a long wedding day. Use a setting powder and/or a setting spray. This will help prevent your makeup from melting or creasing. Focus on areas that tend to get oily, such as the T-zone. Consider the weather conditions when choosing your makeup. Humidity can cause makeup to melt, while dry weather can lead to flakiness. Waterproof mascara is a must for happy tears. Adjust your products and techniques based on the season and location of your wedding. Your wedding day is not the time to experiment with a completely new makeup look. Stick to what you know and love. This is why a trial run is so important. It allows you to perfect your look and avoid any surprises on your big day. Open communication with your makeup artist is key. Share your vision, concerns, and any allergies or sensitivities you may have. Provide inspiration photos and be honest about what you like and dislike. Your makeup artist wants to make you feel beautiful and confident. Now that you're armed with the knowledge to avoid these common wedding makeup mistakes, you're well on your way to achieving a flawless bridal look. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more wedding beauty tips and tricks. Share this video with any brides-to-be you know, and let us know in the comments which of these mistakes you found most helpful to avoid. Book your makeup trial today, and let's make your wedding day makeup dreams a reality.